How to use Discord on mobile. Want to stay connected on the move? Discord's mobile app makes it easy. Download and install Discord from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and sign in with your existing account or create a new one. Once logged in, you'll see your server list on the left or via the three lines and the top right corner. Tap the server icon to open it, then select the text or voice channel to join. You can send messages by typing at the bottom, attach images or files via the plus icon, and use voice channels by tapping the phone icon. Swipe right or tap the Friends tab to see your friends and direct messages. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right to open user settings. Here you can adjust notifications, privacy, and appearance. Tap and hold a message to quickly react, reply, or copy the text. What's your favorite feature on Discord Mobile? Let me know in the comments below. Discord Mobile keeps you connected anywhere, anytime. Keep an eye out, and if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.